It's a very special moment. We are back where everything started for myself and reefs at the ETH. It's the ETH, where reefs, really the first prototype of our system, really took place.
We had a typhoon in Sikio, which partially destroyed one of our reefs, and we had to rebuild it, reinforced it. The brick modules themselves, they stayed intact, but the connection failed. So we came up with a new solution.
We created a new brick, which looks exactly the same as the one we had before, but it has a little special aspects that we want to test out. We had to make sure that the bricks show the same parameters as when we put them in the water, meaning we had to put them in salty water, soak them for like 2 weeks.
Our bricks, you can imagine them as the backbone of the reef structure.
Today we conducted 2 different types of compression tests. Compression tests meaning that you have like a fixed cylinder at the top and a moving cylinder at the bottom that is moving to the top. It's like a pressure that is applied from both sides.
The main forces that the reef is exposed to are wave forces.
We don't simulate the ocean forces directly, but we give them like values for the compression, and so they can combine these values and recalculate it.
We want to know how much of a strong system we have against those like typical big forces that the ocean has.
Once we know the stability of our structure,
we can integrate that into other research that we currently have. And then we can better say, hey, it makes total sense to make a reef in this specific area. I hope we have enough people trusting what we do, that it's a solution that will be adopted by governments. And I'm so relieved and happy that we are able to do those tests, because since the beginning of reefs, a lot has happened.
vielleicht setze ich auch noch da rein in die